Hello again. Now, as you can see, I had a bit of a problem with my camera, and so a little bit of this video is a little bit out of whack. My main camera failed on me, and so I was talking away to the overhead camera, but the overhead camera wasn't working. So I do apologize for that. I'll try and make the edit as clear as possible. This is the Garmin Enduro watch. This is the first generation. Now, I looked at the first and the second generation, and the price difference is so vast now that I didn't see the point in spending over double price for the Garmin Enduro 2 when this one does pretty much exactly the same thing. This one's supposed to have 54 days of battery life, and it's the solar powered version, so it's got solar inside, and it's pretty much identical to the Series 2, except it doesn't have the, a few of the bells and whistles that the new one has. But for the price, I had to try this one out. If I really love this watch, then I might go for the Enduro 2. So inside you can see you've got a couple of stickers there, your documentation, and the proprietary charging strap that they've had for quite a few ones now. I think right back to the 5X, the 5 series. I think it came out with that one. Yeah. Right. Okay. So nice, clear documentation, as always with Garmin products. Let's put those back. There we go. Right. Right. So there's the little QR code on the back there for the app. If anyone needs that, you can download it on the iOS store, Apple store, or the Android store. Right. So this one's got the Velcro band. It doesn't come with the rubber strap. It just comes as it is here. This is it with the size comparison between the Chorus Vertex 2 that I did the video on last time. Now this one looks pretty much like the Chorus Vertex 2, but this one is all stainless steel, and it's got a plastic between the two parts with a nice... I prefer the buttons on this one. I must be frank. I don't like the crown on the Chorus Vertex 2. Tends to dig in a little bit. Right, so I'll just go into connecting it here. This is the app that I've been using. I've got quite a few Garmin watches. Okay, there it is. It's recognized it straight away. And it will give you the code. Okay, there we go. Right, I'm just going to speed this up a little bit because it's taking a little bit too long. I'll come back to you in a second. There we go. Right, I'll set that bit up later. Okay, so it's all set up now. It didn't take very many minutes. It was a little bit boring, I understand, for you to watch. So there we go. It's all set up now. You've got the Connect and the Connect IQ for your watch faces if you need to download any of those to install. We've got a few apps on there as well. So looking around the watch, you've got the stainless steel buttons with the stainless steel bezel and backplate. You've got the same heart reader that they've been using for a while now, since the 6 series I believe, or 5 series? 6 series. Velcro strap, very similar to some of the Apple bands I've seen. Nice and comfortable. It allows the air to come through so it breathes nicely. Of course, it's waterproof to 100 meters, so if you go diving or swimming in this, it dries quickly when you come out of the water as well. Excellent. I'll do a full review later on, but for now I'm going to stop the video and I'll come back to you later on with a full review. I hope you enjoy the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.